Hey guys, this is my practice for the hiking trail video that I'm going to create in the future. So I'm about to enter a trail near my house. Let's take a look. So it's just from the street going up, and as you can see, people who walk dogs, and they have to take their little doggy bags. And this is the trail that I'm entering, which is the Whitney Oaks Sunset Trail. So again, it's very close to my house. I'm just about to leave the street and climb up. Let me turn around and you can see my agony. Alright, walking up. So usually I listen to music, put my Bluetooth headset on, listen to some of my oldies, and I climb up, and I'm just going to show you around. So here is a view. I'm getting used to it. So you can see the houses right there. I live around there. I'm not going to point which one. So I'm going up the nice, beautiful trail. These are paved sections, so it's very nice. It's a beautiful path. It's a very, very beautiful path. So I am climbing and catching my breath. Now you can see the trail is divided by the road. This is the trail on the other side, but that part of the trail is not paved. So I'm passing the street, and now I'm in the other end of the trail. Again, you can kind of see the depth. Very, very deep, for me at least. There's a very interesting part here. I'm coming to this stairs that goes down. Now, stairs, it is a neat looking stairs. I have not counted how many steps there are, but this is the good time to do it. So I'm going to go down the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 20, 30, 50 steps. So I'm about to climb up again this beautiful path. Take a look. It's pretty high. So just to show you, I've come right here. Look, I've done that. So here is all the houses up there. I love it. I love walking around in these trails, thinking about things without distractions of car going by or people walking by. I mean, if I see people here, they're usually running. And right down there, there's a deer. He's down there just basically looking at me. He's moving, running. So deer is not unusual here. Again, you can see the houses down there. So if you come a little bit later, around 8-ish, the sunset will be there. We have deers, we have turkeys. This is a very protected space. So deers, turkeys, they don't mind. Right here is an interesting place. I have two choices. I can go down and I can go up. So normally I go down. So I came this way, and I can go down this way, this path, and this will take me home very quickly. Or I can venture upwards and go this way. Let's just go upwards. So I'm walking up. another beautiful downhill. So you feel good walking up. You're instantly rewarded by a downhill turn path, and it allows you to cool down. Okay, this is the end of the trail. You can see I've come down to the street level. It's getting late, there's very little light, but I'm also curious to see how the slow light works with this camera. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket in my hand. So I'm coming down from the trail and just now returning home. I see a bunch of kids coming, so I'm going to stop recording right here.